In this video, I'm going to show you how to create coloring books using Canva. Something like this. As you can see, this already looking really cute and very friendly for kids. You can create coloring books like these and sell these on Amazon or Etsy like platform, or maybe you can use it for your kids as well. So let's start. So to create a coloring book, all you have to do, create a design. Let's just click on create a design and just type in here coloring book. After typing the coloring book, you will find this kind of suggestions, and you will just have to click the portrait one. So you will come to this page, and you will have to design the coloring book. As you can see, here are a couple of pro version, I mean premium coloring books, which are showing right here. We can create with our own, but let's just create a border in this area. So I have just to take a shapes, and let's align this. uh, After clicking the position, center, middle and center, and we'll have to check the color. I just remove the fill color and give the um, border color. Let's just take it like this. Okay, our border color is done, and now all we can do, place the element. Let's just um, add some elements here. So coloring book, if we find this one, graphics. So under graphics, as you can see, there are couples of lot of cute animals. Maybe we can just put this little lion here, or cute little elephant here. And after placing this one, we can just click and drag, make it bigger as much as we can. And after that, we will just add a text here. Mm, so after clicking on this, maybe add heading, and we will name it elephant, and drag it to right here. Make it more bigger, and we need to change the font. So we are going to click on this one, and choose a childish font so that it's um, aligned with the style. Maybe serif, modern, bold, elegant. Yeah, bold one will be good for this one. No, not this one. I think this one looks good on this design. So let's just position this again. We will center it right here, and after here we will use some effect. So just use this halo effect, and it will be match with the style of this coloring book. So this is the method one. You can add a elements like this, or you can use another method which will be pretty much fun. Let's just grab this uh, copy, I mean duplicate, and take it here. Like in the previous page, we are going to middle it. It's already centered, so we don't have to center vertically. So we will click on the apps, and we will type magic media, sorry, magic media, and hit enter. After that we will select the magic media, and I already have written a prompt for this one. Let's just paste in here, and you can see it right here. Use one of 48 credits. I have a free plan, and so I have limited numbers of prompt. You will get 50 prompt, I mean 50 credits. So use it gently. I'll use this prompt. Let's paste it here, and make sure the layouts is portrait, and styles we are going to whatever it is. Let's just hit generate image. It will take some moment, and give us a result. Let's see what they give us. Okay, so we got a really chubby panda. You can just click on this and drag on like this. Let's try another. As you can see, here are three options: images, graphics, and videos as well. So we are going to place click on graphics, and paste the same prompt here. And for the styles, we are going to use doodles. Maybe we won't use any kind of styles. uh, leave as it is, and let's hit generate again. Let's just resize it a little. I think it's looking good. Look at this. Here we have found another amazing design. Let's just copy, Control C, and right here Control V. It placed here, right? um, I like this one, first one. Others are also really good. It's just proportionally it's not correct, so we will just place it here, and maybe we can grab the text from here and paste it here, and let's place, hit enter, and let's write it Vanda. So that's how you can create a coloring book for you, and click the share button and download. After hitting the download, and we can just download it for print PDF standard, or PDF print. If you want to print that, I suggest you will click PDF print, and if you want to use I mean for the marketplace, you can choose this one. I'm going to click PDF standard and download it, and it's downloading. Yeah, let's just click on that, and look at this. Here we got a unique coloring book for our own. So that's it for this video. See you in another video. If you like this idea, and found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe my channel.